In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Wi-Fi not working on your Android phone. So whether you're unable to connect to the internet or the Wi-Fi is just not working in general, I'm going to show you a few ways to go and solve this issue. Now, the first thing we're going to do is perform a power cycle on the phone. Now, to do this, you can just go and tilt your phone onto its side, and you need to hold down the volume down button and the power button at the same time. So I'll do this with you now so you can see what this looks like. So we're just going to hold these two buttons down, and you're going to keep holding these down for around about 30 seconds. So eventually the screen should go black. Just continue to hold these two buttons down. You may feel the phone quickly vibrate, and after a couple more seconds, you're going to see the Samsung logo appear, and that's when you can go and release these two buttons. Your phone's then going to restart, and you can try connecting to the Wi-Fi and checking if that solves the issue. Now, if it's still not working, we're going to try resetting our network settings. So to do this, you can just go and bring up the settings page on your phone. You can then scroll all the way down to General Management and click on this. You can then scroll down again and click on Reset. And then you'll need to scroll down and click on Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Now, once you've done this, you will need to go and reconnect to any of your Wi-Fi networks. So just go and click on the Reset Settings button, and once you've done that, you can check to see if your Wi-Fi is now working. Now, another reason why the internet may not be working is due to a VPN on your phone. So if you have any kind of VPN app installed on your phone, then you can try uninstalling this and once again checking to see if it solves the issue. You can also try resetting your Wi-Fi router as well. Usually there'll be a reset button on the physical device, and you can go and hold this down to reset your Wi-Fi settings. And once you've done that, you should now be able to connect to the internet.